what's a thing that you wish people knew that they don't know? Like when someone comes in and they've gotten the presentation, or maybe not from you, but they saw the brochures,
Right.
so they think they know, but they don't know. What is there something about, whether it's Wynwood or about Frida Khalo residences specifically, that you just wish more people knew?
I wish more people really would get to know Frida as an artist and the legacy as a person. I think what they think they know about Miami and what Miami is might be two different things. I think we get a bad rap for being a party town. And sometimes you see on social media, like, Miami's not all it's stacked up to be, and these restaurants are so expensive. And, like, you get a lot.
Yeah.
Of course, there's, the thing is, Miami is whatever you want it to be for you. And if you're not in the right place, you may not have that experience. But going back to having to be adventurous, like, this is the Alice in Wonderland experience in this little neighborhood, right? Are you willing to go down the rabbit hole?
There you go.
So I think that's the thing about, we are not superficial. There's a lot of depth to the city. Where the superficiality came from is part of what Miami is. We're a capitalist city, absolutely. But that is why there's so much investment potential here. That's why so many people invest here, right? We are a young city growing at a pace that is far beyond our control. But there is depth here. Going back to history, I'm a history buff for sure, and I love the craziness of the history of the city and the detail, the grit, just look a little deeper.
Yes.
You can have a whole different experience here. And I would say that Wynwood is one of these neighborhoods that, hang out in it, you could have magic, and you can see things. You could get under, like, lift the veil, I guess, if you will. Because, yeah, we have Bell Harbor shops. Yeah, we have Aventura Mall, and we have the beaches, and we have all the things, this stuff, right?
Yeah. All
We
the
have
other boxes
everything
to
that,
check,
all that checks. The tourism checks here for all those reasons. But when you live here, you need to be willing to investigate and feel Miami, not just what the
Gotta participate.
influencers are on,
Yeah, gotta participate.
Yeah, absolutely.